Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by picking a TTS method and getting the script ready. Choose native YouTube Studio Voice or a third-party TTS for more control. Once chosen, paste or import your script as short, punchy lines so timing is easy to match. Make sure you export or save text as TXT or subtitle files like SRT to keep sentence boundaries. Start a new video project in your editor or YouTube Studio and import the text and any visuals you will use. Now generate the speech. Select voice, adjust pitch, speed, and language settings to match your channel tone. If you use Cloud TTS, set sample rate to 44. 1kHz and export as MP3 or WAV for best compatibility. Once you have audio files, import them into your video editor and place clips on the timeline, then fine-tune timing to match on-screen actions. Use subtitle files or markers to snap sentence boundaries quickly. This preserves pacing and avoids overlap. Finish by mixing the TTS with background audio, reduce music under voice, add light EQ or compression, and check intelligibility at typical listening volumes. Export with YouTube-friendly settings, H. 264 1080p and AAC audio, then upload and add the same subtitle file for accessibility. If speech sounds robotic or words run together, reopen your TTS lines and add short pauses or change speed by small increments. That simple tweak often fixes time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.